almost got it covered back over.
I gotta dig it back out.
This is the mud road.
You got my sunglasses?
Yes. This is the mobile home that had water in it. Here's your sunglasses.
Man.
I have not been out here yet, so I don't know what we're gonna see. He has.
It's not bad at
I
all.
was stuck on
We
one
got
side
the
of the
bed.
road.
We got everything. We got a bench right down here.
This is the old slip that was already here that is now.
Everything just slipped straight down.
Yeah, it's still there. Slip is worse, but not so bad. So here's my barn, and apparently there was water. Oh yeah, there was water way up the barn, it looks like. Good Lord, you can see the water line there. It's way higher than I would have ever expected.
Just hang on to the seat.
Flood elevation said that this would flood 2 feet, and this flooded a lot more than 2
What?
feet.
About 5 feet top. Wait a minute. We got a bench right here, so the brand. Oh, well, it's brand new to us. Look through that. Didn't lose it. Oh, my damn bench done fell over the hill.
Alright, this is where the tent was and still is.
Yeah.
It took houses off foundations and
Not my
everything, but
tent. Not my tent.
not the damn tent. This tent survived the flood of
We got
2016.
firewood in the tree though.
Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see what we
You
got.
gonna stop?
Yeah. It's my first time in a four-wheeler today, so I don't know how to open the door. West Virginia girl, first time in a four-wheeler. Pretty sad. Alright, so this, what kind of tent is this? This is an Ozark Trail tent. And this little motherfucker withstood the flood that couldn't hold a house on a foundation.
The mats.
Yeah, we cannot
There's the
believe this
corn.
stuff
Watch
is
this.
still here, but it is. Oh, our float's still here. How exciting.
Yes, they are. I dug them out there.
We're going to clean those up. There's our $5 grill from the yard sale. This tent was a $10 tent from a yard sale, but
It don't matter.
it
It's
survived.
$15
We're
a
cleaning
gallon.
this tent and patching the holes.
I don't know about that.
Hey, we're going to.
Patching
I
the
mean,
holes?
you're going to.